Hello everyone, how are you? It's Kay. So I hope you're having a great day today. So I've met one of the previous GTS member whose name is Mr. Suresh. And Suresh, I talked with him and took the video, and you can see our conversation on the GTS webpage. Mr. Suresh from India, but I was able to meet him the other day, and we took the video of our conversation. That was like a free talk, but I've categorized into some topics, and you can see timestamps on each topic, but I hope you can enjoy our talk. He actually, on the way back to his home country, India, he kindly stopped by in Dubai, and yeah, we had such a nice conversation. He is so much into price action, although his working condition is very not really, good for trading because he has limited access internet. But even so, he has been enthusiastic to learn price action with the previous charts, and it was so inspiring for myself. So I'm sure it will be encouraging for you too. So I hope you can learn something new with our conversation. So here we go, the video. Please enjoy and stay gold. Yeah, it's such a pleasure to meet you every time. You came all the way from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. Yes. So you just left the site yesterday? Or today? Today morning you left the site. And you took taxi all the way from Abu Dhabi to here to meet me. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
for all the way come here, take effort and meet myself. So I think last time we met was last September.
September, yeah.
So yeah, time flies. It's been about already half a year.
Half years,
yeah. And I was looking back our video.
Yes. And
it was exactly 1 year back when we talked on Skype. Remember, I interviewed you.
Yeah, correct.
It was last April or May.
April
or May. Yeah, 2021.
Yes,
so
correct.
it's exactly 1 year.
1 year, nearly.
Wow, time flies. So how's everything going with you?
I think trading wise, it is very better for me.
Okay.
It's regarding after GTS is one of the main, already several times I told, they're one of the main tool for GTS, how to enter the market.
Okay, how to enter the market. That's great.
Yeah, this is the great.
Yeah.
This is very important in trading. So market, if the market is volatile too much up and down, this GTS, how our boss is teaching, how to enter and how to exit. With the painful also, how to enter, exit. This is very important. The teachers.
Yeah. You have to exactly know where exactly to enter or exactly to exit.
Exit, yeah.
And there's no second strategy. There's no other options to it.
Yeah.
You have to follow the rules. There's no second rules.
Yeah.
As you know already.
If I working in my company, company puts one rules means we have to follow that rules only. If I am working in a oil field, if company wants me to put the cap, I want to put the safety cap, safety shoe, everything. This is the safety. What the company asks me to do. The same base, your stop loss, the same thing. We have to do stop loss. We have to accept it. I also did, but I am mini, but it is not fair for me also what I am doing. But after that, when I learn and I follow the rules, the GTS, then only I make it success. Meanwhile, time we will thinking, okay, stop loss will go back, or go up, resistance go up. Yeah. So we are loser only. So in 5 minutes and 15 minutes, our sir told us how to enter into the market. That is a very important. Which I learned lot of things is sir teach me this price action, waves theory. This plays the main role. What I learned from these things.
Glad to
to hear that. So before joining GTS, did you trade with a stop loss or not?
Stop loss, I'm avoided before I'm not at all using stop loss. After GTS also I learned, but sometimes I want to bypass stop loss, but we will fail. Sure, and that is a minimum stop loss only. That is good, very good. Sir, what the boss, our sir teaches us, really very good. It's excellent one. Really, it's very excellent one to come out of the market.
That's true.
Otherwise, you have to take more pain. It's less pain only. Otherwise, more pain.
And 2% to risk for
risk,
the risk.
Risk 2%.
That's a rule.
Rules, rule. According to that, you know, the market, if you are seeing that a range market, some you are jumping, trading, you know this market is exactly, you know how to the market going to move according to Kumo. The strategy, Kujusen, which I am following very strictly in this one. Then only I am entering into the 5 minutes and 15 minutes market. There also I am in 5 minutes and 15 minutes also I am trying to find out where is the P wave and Y wave. Sometimes the market is going up, it is breaking the resistance. Then also suddenly it comes back. We think that the market is uptrend only. So in 5-15 minutes, there also we are facing Y wave and P wave, which I closely watched.
Yeah, the wave pattern in the market and price action are very important.
Yeah, very important.
Yes, we just talked about it on the way to here from Dubai Mall. We're talking about the importance of the price action.
Yes.
And the Ichimoku goes really strong with the price action. So P wave, Y wave, and also engulfing breakout, doji break. You know, these I don't use. You know, there are many price action theories and names to it, like abundant baby, if you know. Yeah, it's like a Japanese language. Like back in those days, you know, the terminologies in Japan were a bit aggressive, I would say, or rude a little bit. Abundant child, or like harami, engulfing. You know, I heard harami is a bad language in India. So I never use it in the live stream anymore. I used to call it harami.
Japan's.
One of the Indian traders said it's not a good word in India. So I stopped using harami. But harami in Japanese also is not really a good word technically, because it's like a pregnant woman, a married pregnant woman.
Yeah, sure.
Like harami.
Harami,
So engulfing. But there are so many names in the price action candlestick patterns, and to be honest, I don't know everything. Really. And I don't use everything.
Really, before when I was start to trading, I was learned lot of candlestick, but nothing is inside the brain. Really, only was your price action. Only 8 videos are there. That 8 videos very clearly mention trust up, down, how the market is, previous high, how the today closing price is what we call is a today closing price renews previous high or previous low, like this. This is the very important things in the trust up and down, runway, then doji, pin bar. These are the main. Where I found this main strategy, even 4 hours, 5 hours, 2 hours, daily we are doing checking also. But entering the market, this works very well.
Yeah, it works very well in any time frames.
Any time frame.
Enter the trade by the lower time frame, it works. But also in bigger picture, bigger time frame, like a daily chart or even weekly chart, these candlestick works, pattern works.
Very.
Yeah.
These are the.
Have you heard of Sakata Goho?
Sakata
Goho
in Japan.
Have you heard of it?
I heard.
Oh, you have? Wow.
Just long time I forget this one.
It's a basic price action theory.
Price action theory.
Yeah. And those videos, 8 videos on my YouTube, this price action playlist, is actually by that Sakata Goho.
Sakata.
Yes.
In the price action, I studied this.
Yeah, but very basic.
Basic theory. Yeah.
Glad that you're continue to practice right now.
Yeah, right. Yes,
Yeah.
In my main things in my workplace, the internet having lot. We are not having proper internet. So due to Corona, after GTS, I was 5 months there only in the workplace. Normally our work rotation 4 weeks on off. But due to this Corona, I'm not able to do the trading also because the internet issue for me. When nowadays, last 2 months, what I try to do, early morning 1 hour if I get the time, just watch the chart, and in 5-15 minutes I do the practice only, not enter the market, just practice how the market is moving, in which wave the market is moving, what price action is harami or support, resistance, wave, all these things, trust up and also works very well. So wave also, I wave, V wave and N wave, it works very well, and P wave and this Y wave. So we have to follow the rules, simple the things.
Yeah, that's right. We have to follow the rules. And you prove that you can still study. We can still study without internet.
Yeah, internet. Issue is the internet. Not able to jump into the market. If I go in home, I think that I'm very brilliant. Then I start to jumping. Then I also caught up. So what we do after 5 months, we are going for 1 month to home. So I cannot concentrate. I want to go here and there. So not able to concentrate. And this times I thought that personally I take 20 days and I sit in the market, and I want to show to myself that the result, how I did the job. I want to show this was my full aim this time, and I will succeed. I know that, very confident in this trading market. So very good, really.
Yeah, I remember you were doing so well in the GTS.
Yeah.
You know, when we do the practice on the 3rd month.
Yeah.
Like a competition among 5 members in the group, you are the best.
Yeah, really.
You get the best result among 5 members. So I know you will do well.
Yes.
So if you have the internet access, then you can trade very well.
Yeah, internet access. Internet access.
Yeah, in the meantime, you practice like this. You practice price action, and also you look back my videos and continue to practice, continue to maintain this discipline to keep studying. Then you should be successful. So right now, so far in the GTS, there are about 50 members graduates, and 5 or 6 of them became full-time.
Full-time traders.
And you will be the next one.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. I'm trying my best. Sure, it is confident only, but lot of confidence with me. So switch over this from job to this one. So financials. Sure, I will do it my best. Even with $100, we can make a lot of dollars.
Sure.
Thousands of millions of dollars we can make.
Yeah, you can keep compounding.
Yeah, compounding.
Yeah, every time.
So don't want to jump like take $2,000, $10,000. Even $100 also, this tragedy I will challenge. This is my challenge which I took from $50. I want to win the game. So this is my target. But this is too less only. But my aim is to achieve full goal. Double you have to increase. That's my aim.
Yeah, you don't have to start big account.
Yeah,
but I recommend everybody to start small. And make it bigger. It's better. Yeah, because psychologically, if you start to manage big amount, like $10,000, $100,000 in account, psychologically, you will be so stressful. Every pip movement, you gain $100, you lose $100 every minute, and that may be stressful in psychology.
Yeah, you're correct.
Yeah. So you can start with a small account like 1,000 and start small, and then keep it increase over time.
Yes, you exactly told right.
Yeah.
Before I also put $100, $2,000. What happened, because we are entering high. For example, lot size we are increasing that 0.2 like 2%. This rate instead of 0.1, 0.2. We are directly going to 2%. If you are having more money, then we loses. It makes more painful to us. So better be confident, then jump slowly, gradually. You are very confident, then only we have to enter.
That's true. That's true. Yeah, you get it. You get the concept.
Concept.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the concept.
And actually, me too. Me too. I started big amount after I became full-time trader. When I was a part-time trader, full-time worker, I didn't put so much money. I was only trading maybe 1,000, 2,000, or maybe 5,000, and some wins, some losses. But after I get some decent result, for 6 months I quit the job and became full-time. And I started with $10,000, which I never managed before. But at that time, I thought if I have bigger account, then I can make more profits. If I have small account, it takes for me time to grow profits. So why not start bigger so that I can make big accounts even much bigger?
Yes,
that was my mindset. And I failed.
Sure.
I lost everything. I lost the Glow account, and then recreated another 10,000, and then I lost half. And then I came back demo account. Yeah, you know how painful to trade a demo account as a full-time trader. It's so painful. So I got depressed. Really. I took a medication to cure depression. But that's when I came back to all these. That's when I deleted all these indicators, and I was going nuts. I was going crazy. So I took out all the colors in candlestick too. Before I was using red and green candles, but after that, because my depression mentality, I changed everything white candles. No indicators. And start to train myself. But that worked. That worked well. I gained the deep knowledge about the price action and candlesticks, and then applied Ichimoku, and then start to gain profits little by little. So never start big account.
Because this is the main this philosophy. Very good. Really.
Very painful.
But actually, the videos which you make, this price action waves, these are really wonderful, sir. Really, no one can do like this. A lot of videos I'm watching, but this is the entry and exit. This is the very important. That's where we can find out.
And even more important one that I think I didn't talk about the videos is that you have to follow the major direction. So like if you backtest, you will see in the range market where the market just goes up and down in a range market. You also see these little dojis, little engulfings, little P waves, Y waves you see in the range market everywhere.
Range market, sure.
But they don't work. Although it looks like doji, it looks like engulfing, in a range market, everything becomes fake, most likely.
Correct.
So, but when it's trending, let's say the market goes up and up, you see small doji, and then breaks. The next candlestick close becomes above the previous doji, then it works. The market may continue to bullish. And so that's also another secret. I found when I was using all the white candles.
You're exactly correct. Really correct, boss. Really.
You know.
This doji, this watching daily, which I'm seeing now. Even weekly also, this doji is working very well in weekly charts.
When it's trending. It works.
Before we calling like evening star, morning star. This I forget. So doji. This all.
Right.
Really. This works very well. Haramis and weekly charts are very perfectly.
I will never get bored to see charts every day.
It's like a baby. We are enjoying the life. When you see the chart, the time pass is going very fast. Hours are going like minutes.
That's right.
When we are concentrate very deeply in 5-15 minutes, you know, trending market, up or down. After this 5 and 15 minutes, it works very deeply.
That's right. So I recommend everybody to monitor chart only 3 times per day.
Yes, correct.
At least. But besides that, I can monitor chart every day because it's so interesting.
Once we get to this trending market, automatically our focus will be on how to enter. This is the things. Trending market, daily or 1 hour or 30 minutes or 4 hours. when we got the trending markets in daily and 1 hour or 4 or 30 minutes, so we are very confident that this market will go like this only. So other thing, the news is very, we have to be concentrate.
That's true.
That also. So we know that today what the news is there. Today inflation, for example, retail sales. This all one type of what we call the inflation and the growth of the market, labor market, how it will impact the market. These things we have to be little bit to be followed. So the trending. So even though we got the inflation, stagflation, now things are going like a stagflation. They are telling, because what we tell. Growth are going down and inflations are going up, so that manufacturing products and everything of the country little bit you have to be follow. So the trending, even though if you look that also it is question mark only, but trending is the very important. Things are very good, but trend will go reverse. So my humble request, follow the trend.
Yes, that's right. That's right. That's all we have to care about. Whether the market is trending or not. Is everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
If market even good, if even US dollars present is very good, now there is stagflation, growth is coming down and inflation is going up. They are taking interest rates. Even though they are doing good, but suddenly it is going down. So volatility is more. So the trend, how you capture the trending, that also very important. Only volatility is coming that time. So after that, all trending only.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. The only thing you have to remember is before the news, don't trade. Before the news, don't put new positions.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Before also I was caught here only. Entering the market, this market will go up. You are entering, then go down. Your market is good also. So here also I make a mistake. That's,
when it go down, it goes very fast.
Very fast.
By the news.
By the news.
Yeah, it just goes and goes. If you look at the 5-minute chart, it just keeps going, and you all sweat.
Yeah. Okay.
It's worst experience ever.
Worst experience.
Yeah, I did that on gold actually. I think that was back in 20. I forgot. There was a huge drop in gold by the news. I think that was due to rate decision in the US.
Rate decision. What you also.
There was a huge drop in gold a couple of years ago.
At October, November times, hugely it came down by a poor interest rate decision.
Last year also. After the COVID outbreak.
Gold's
been going down.
Interest rate decisions they make.
That's right. Yeah, but when it happens, you lose money so quickly.
Very sharply. How much fast it went.
Exactly.
100, maybe 1,000. What we call only 800, 1,700. Like this, it went down.
Yeah, huge drop.
Huge drop. So whenever Powell comes to speak, we have to be more careful, vigilant.
Yeah, we just have to stay away.
Better stay away.
Just walk away.
That time we cannot monitor 5 minutes. Please away of the market.
Yeah, that's right. Glad to exchange thoughts like this. After 6 months already passed. And I was wondering how you are doing on the site, and also you must be busy on the site for like 3 months or 5 months straight. It's unusual. You must be so stressed in the working condition. But I'm so glad, and also I'm so happy that you keep track on what you do. You backtest in Forex Tester, and when you have time, you watch charts, you study charts, and sometimes you watch my videos, and it's so inspiring for me too. Very inspiring. Yes.
Very good. And another thing, sir, actually, when we are looking on the laptops, the trendings and how to enter into the market, we will get accurately. But how I failed, this I want to tell you. In the mobile, I am playing when I am not getting the time in the job place. When my boss come, I will open. When boss may come here, I will keep down like this. This should not be done in the market.
Right.
What I learned. And another thing, we should not enter into the market in mobile. This is my humble request where I failed here only. In laptop, I am doing very fine. When I getting free time, I am doing very good. But when I'm playing in mobile and entering into the market, not if I'm seeing in the mobile, I'm not watching any rules. I break all the rules. So, who is in the GTS members or our Ichimoku family members, please, new members, please don't trade in mobile.
Right, right. I used to do that too. I laugh myself because I used to do that too. When I was working full time, you know, when I have a short break like 10 minutes, or when I don't do any tasks at office, I used to see charts by mobile and entry by mobile. Yeah. And psychologically, I can't focus. I cannot focus, and my mind is not fully there. Yes, but when I sit down and open the laptop and screen charts, then I'm there physically and emotionally too.
Emotional. Then
so it's a huge difference.
Huge difference.
Yeah.
This is very important points for all of our students.
Yeah, thank you for the tip. Yeah, now I remember myself too. I did it also.
Here only I'm stuck in. So breaking the rules here only.
Yeah, it's
if mobile. So
right. It's different from like shopping Amazon.
Amazon,
it's different.
Yeah. This is fast track.
Right.
So trading to be follow as a trading. So we have to follow the rules.
That's right. Yes. First, we have to create our own rules. And once you create, you have to follow.
Must.
No matter what. And there's no second rules, there's no third rules. Just only one single rule, and that's it.
That's all.
Yeah.
And actually we got our key sir very good, and he is teaching every day. And really, so how to price I don't know, sir, really.
Oh, it's been my pleasure to be able to share what I do. Yeah. But because I learn a lot also. I learn by replying to these comments and by teaching like this. I learn a lot also.
Sure.
So I used to tell the best way to input is by output. So if you have a child, like a young age child, and if your son, let's say, asks you, "Hey Dad, what is Kumo?"
Yeah.
And can you answer to him?
No. That is the reason.
Yeah. So, but if you try to answer, then you remember.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. So I think that's the most important aspect, and that's also the reason why I do the live streams and teachings. But at the same time, it's my pleasure to do this, so that because I'm so happy to see students growing and they're getting confidence, and they have many aha moments on the GTS or Ichimoku members or even public lives. Yeah. I think the way I think is like very much like a Japanese style, or like I in a sense, when I was reading like Western books or like in terms of indicators, strategies, signals, it's either buy or sell. Like gold cross buy, dead cross sell, breakout buy, breakout sell. It's like what people usually talk about. But me as a Japanese, I think it's kind of built into myself. Is that it's not always like that.
Correct.
1 + 1 equals 2. But sometimes it becomes 3. Sometimes it becomes 0. Yeah, and that's, I think, the reality.
Correct. Stochastic, you told this stochastic also, this Bollinger Band, all it comes to under umbrella of price action only.
That's right.
That is simple.
Yeah,
so you already mentioned this when gold that's N wave. Automatically, if you are N wave only, then only we will enter the market for a trending market for this only. Automatically that time there will be gold uptrend.
Yeah.
Like this, the things all price action.
That's true. Yeah, that's true.
We are very close eye on price action. Automatically, these indicators are work same: squeeze, expansion, band walking, all will come in same.
Yeah, basically everything, all the indicators are the translation of the price action.
Price action.
So that means if you master price action, then you don't need any indicators.
Yes, correct. Yeah. And daily still, this is my early morning price action. I am daily watching one video, repeating. How many years? 2 years. Still I am learning. This that much inside it is meant. If any time, if you ask before trend line, counter trend, this good confusion. If any time, any sleeper, they will ask what is the trend line, ascending and descending, or the support, well, uptrend, the support, trending downside resistance. This all very important.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
this
true.
all, yeah.
Yeah, all the basics
Yes,
are
it's
actually very
must.
important. Yeah, it's a must. You have to master basics
Basics,
first.
yeah.
Yeah, otherwise you can't build knowledge on top.
Knowledge, yeah. Sure.
Yeah, that's true. Thank you so much, Suresh, for
Yeah.
this time.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
It was very nice talking to you. And yeah, when you come to Dubai next time, let's meet again. And with this kind of a freestyle conversation, talk about the markets, talk about any topics, and we can share our knowledge and impressions. And next time, I will see your performance in trading.
Sure. This month I will do Sherdo and I will show the performance.
Okay.
And in GTS I will upload my video, my PDF files.
Okay.
Sure,
then I will also share it in the public.
This time I will do it.
Okay.
This time I will get chance.
Okay, that's good. That's a good news.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Suresh.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So yes, let's meet again.
Yeah, okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.